How to record Roblox with OBS. So first, just open up your OBS, make sure that you already have it installed. Once you have it, I'm just gonna show you right here. So I have already OBS right here, and I'm currently using it for recording. And if you want to set up Roblox, the best thing that you could do is display capture, which is I'm currently using right now. So what this play capture does is basically it is capturing all that is happening on your screen. So as you can see, I'm just moving right here. So everything that is on your main monitor or the monitor that you pick will just basically pop up right there. And now once you go back here, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just click on the plus icon here on the bottom and click on display capture. Once it's done, click on OK. And here for capture method, just set it to automatic. And for display, if you have multiple displays, pick the display that you want to record or where you're gonna play Roblox. So I'm gonna play Roblox here on my primary monitor, which is this one. So I'm just gonna click on that, and as you can see, it is now recording. Once that's done, you can also set this option to enable or disable if you want to hide the cursor or what. But that for me, I'm just gonna show the cursor. Once that's done, just simply click on OK. And now it will basically capture your monitor right here or your main monitor. And now if you open up Roblox, let's say I'm going to open up Roblox player and put it right here on my main monitor. So I have mine right here. Now as you can see, the Roblox is now being recorded. And if you want to know my settings, you simply need to click on settings right here. And I'm going to show you my settings right here. Go to your output, and right here, just simply copy all of these. So this is the most optimized settings for me. It might not work for you, but for me, this is good. So you could also try it out and see if it also works for your computer. For audio, it's just like this. You could pause it if you want. So like that. Video, this one. Just gonna show the output again. That's basically the important stuff. And once it's done, just simply click on OK. That's how you basically record your Roblox with OBS.